Stefan de Groot.
Bedankt, Sieben.
Welcome to Stayf Draws. I'm Stayf, a Dutch illustrator and animator, and it's been a while since I've posted a video on this channel, but there's a good reason for it. I've been working on an exhibition for a museum, and I've been working on that for a year now. And in the upcoming videos I will show you the paintings I did, and of course I'm going to do a review about Procreate 4.2. That one is out, and I'm also going to update my ebook on iBooks called Procreate 4 Video Manual. So if you already bought the Procreate 4 Video Manual, the update will be for free. And I'm also going to buy the new iPad, the iPad Pro and Apple Pencil 2. So you can expect a review about the iPad Pro and Apple Pencil soon. But just want to go back to the exhibition, and I have an exhibition in a museum in Zandvoort, and Zandvoort is a beach town and it's near Haarlem. I live in Haarlem and also near Amsterdam. It's very close to each other. The exhibition is called We gaan naar Zandvoort. We're going to Zandvoort, and it's about the journey by tram and by train. And in the past you could, make the trip by tram, and I really loved the tram and how it looked. So I came up with the idea because I already visited the museum, and they have different rooms and also a hallway, and I used the physical spaces as the journey from Amsterdam to Zandvoort. And I had to do a lot of research, so I first started out doing the poster, because when you're doing an exhibition you need to make a poster first, so that it can be advertised in all kinds of magazines. So in January I already painted the poster of the exhibition, and in that poster I already had to set the style, and that was quite difficult because in the beginning I had to do a lot of research of the right clothing, and because it takes place from 1918 until 2018. So I had to do a lot of research from the past, but also research in the present, because the journey is by tram in the past and by train in the present. And I also made a documentary, so I had to write the whole script, and together with the documentary. So the documentaries are displayed in each room, and there's a big screen which is called the Panorama Zandvoort, and that I painted in a more impressionistic style, and it's a narrative time-lapse. But in the upcoming videos I will explain how I painted all of these things. And I'm also going to do a review of the Apple Pencil and the new iPad Pro. And also I'm going to update my Procreate 4 video manual to Procreate 4.2. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!